Hey, hi guys. So today we will learn like how we can reset password of virtual machine in Azure cloud, or if like you have downloaded some PPK file to log into that virtual machine and you just lost that file and now you are trying to reset that password. Right. So there are multiple scenarios where we'll be needing to reset our password of our virtual machine which we created. So for first, like we'll create one virtual machine and we'll directly create that PEM file while creating that virtual machine to log in. And let's say like now we want to change that password so that we will see in this demo. So subscription, I'll be selecting that same. Then this is my resource group and with the name of demo VM I have created one. So let's say like any configuration I'll just take it, and here I am not selecting that password, here I am selecting that SSH key, let's say. So now apart from that, like other details I'll just keep it as whatever by default details we'll get with Azure cloud. So because this is just for testing, like how we can just reset our password if we have some PM file while creating that virtual machine and we have lost that file and now we want to reset it, right? Okay, some validation failed, where it got failed. Okay, so here there like we missed that with what file it will create that pm.pm file that I just added. Now it is just validating whether all the configurations are correct. So now I just clicked on create. Now it will create that virtual machine. So see here, like whenever we are giving that SSH key pair, right? So that time it will ask us to download that private key, right? So let's say we downloaded and now it is started creating our virtual machine, right? So there could be like multi. So it downloaded that .pm file with the same name whatever we have provided there, demo test.pm file. So this pm file we need to upload in that SSH authenticator. So it could be like that putty you can use, or there are multiple tools as well. So in putty we can upload this .pm file and then we can log in. But let's say like we just lost this .pm file and now we want to uh, we want to reset our password, or somehow we need to log in back, right? So what, let's finish this, let it finish this deployment. Once this deployment is finished, then we'll see in that sideline options where they have given that password resetted, something is there. So I'll show you like how you can reset that. Yeah, so now that virtual machine has been created. As you can see here, we have that virtual machine, but here like what we got is .pm file, and let's suppose we just lost this pm file and we want to reset our password. So what we can do is here we just need to scroll down, and here in this help section we will get this reset password, right? So what option it will provide is, it will provide us like to reset password, or to reset our SSH key, or just a reset. So maybe like this reset SSH public key also we can use, but maybe like we'll try with just resetting that password, right? So we can just give any username. So let's say I just gave this demo as my username, and then I'll give some password here to log in. So I just gave the password as well, and now if I'll update this, so now what I can do is, instead of that .pm file I can directly use this username and password to log into this virtual machine. So let's say like you have created some virtual machine and you lost your .pm file at later point of time, and now you are facing issue while log into that virtual machine. So here you can directly come and you can reset your SSH key, or password you can do, and once this is done, then you can try to log in with that updated one which you got from this reset password. So it is still updating. Once this is updated, then maybe we'll just try to log in from this cloud cell itself. Will not use this .pm file. Yeah, it successfully updated, and here we have that. Here we'll be having that public IP. This is that public IP of this VM. So we'll try to do SSH. I think it is not yet updated. Seems it will take some time. Let's wait for some time and then we'll check back. Yeah, so again, so what happened is like when we created that virtual machine, so it created that virtual machine with the help of those keys. So now once we have done that reset password and we have given our username and password, and when we were trying to log in, right, so that time it was giving some permission error, or yeah, permission denied error, right? So once you are updating that password, then you can once again do this reset configuration also, so it will get reset to that VM also. Once you are done with that, then you can try to log in with that username and password whatever you have given while doing that reset. So I have given that demo as username, and then I'll give that IP, and then if I'll give that password means, yeah, so I am able to log in, right? So this is how you can reset your password. So one more thing you can add on is, once you are creating that VM with that default whatever configuration, and you are changing that configuration after doing that reset password, then make sure you are doing that reset configuration also after changing that password or before changing that password. Sorry, after changing that password. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you very much. If you like this video, you can share with your friends, and do like and share.